Hello guys. So I did clean a little bit, guys. This gotta be clean up, but the guy's gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that, guys. But the gasket of these screws that goes in here was wear out, you know, and it was no longer stopping the water. So that's why it was leaking, you know. So I come out with these rubber things so the water doesn't drip it no more. I throw some water on it. It was not leaking. So after I washed the unit, it came out like that, guys. I did wash everything. I'm gonna put more water and check for leaks, guys. After that, I'm gonna tell them to clean all this grease. This is all grease and debris of the food, guys. Okay then, bye.